An area of Google that you should definitely make use of to get more traffic to your websites is Google image search. And okay, I've gone to Google here, and for example, if I was to type in, let's say, cat pictures, and if I do a regular search, of course I get some websites returned that have cat pictures. And actually, using in Google AdWords here, Google are even advertising Google image search themselves, as you can see. Alternatively, I can just click on images here, and the same search is done in Google Images. And if you have existing pictures on your website, or pictures or graphics on your website, you'll want to optimize them to get more free traffic in this way. And actually adding extra graphics and making sure they're optimized for Google image search can be very helpful as well. And okay, let's talk you through an example. If we take this picture here, as you can see under the graphic there's some text, free cat pictures. So Google grabs some text from the page and places it next to the image, as you can see, to help with the description, to help with the relevance. And actually other information which you may find interesting is also, you can see Google mentions how large the graphic is in size, and also how large it is as a download. Okay, so if I click through here, okay, and Google has this frame here where it still shows the image and shows the website here. And I actually want to, okay, it's a bit difficult to see, but I want to click this link here which removes the frame, which gets rid of the Google frame. It just takes me to the website. So here are some of the pictures. Now well, actually, just before I view the source, I was going to view source and talk you through a few elements to bear in mind when creating your pages for optimizing your images. But, of course, first of all, it's very important to put relevant text in the title here of your page. And in this case, of course, this page has cat pictures, so they put the title, which worked very well for them, free cat pictures. And Google takes this text to help with the relevance, to help find the relevance of your page. And it also helps, as you can see, it can help add descriptions to the images, next to the images. And also, the text in the title appears in the search results as well. So that's very important text. So if I view source, between the title tag goes the title text, of course, the text that appears here. And if I do a find, let's use find and search for free cat pictures. Okay, the text appears there. Find next. Okay, and it also appears here. And let me talk you through this. This is how they've optimized their images. Okay, they're using the HTML image tag, of course, img, and of course the attribute source equals, and that's the path to the actual graphic. And it may or may not be a little bit helpful to even have the text you want the image found on. In this case, the text is free cat pictures. It may be helpful to even include it in the file name, as you can see. They've included it in the file name. Okay, let's scroll over a bit more. Okay, here they specify the width and the height of the image and specify no border. And here's the particularly important bit, the alt attribute. The alt attribute is, what it actually does is, it stands for alternative text, which means if for any reason the graphic can't display, for example, some people may browse, for example, with images turned off, then instead of the graphic, this text appears to help such people still understand what the image, what type of image was there, and understand why it was there. So basically to help give relevance to where your images are for people that have images turned off. However, using the alt text is also very important for giving more relevance to Google, which can help you get found on searches you want to be found on. For example, here they've used free cat pictures as the alt text, which makes it more likely this graphic and therefore this website will appear when someone searches for free cat pictures. So, make it, don't stuff the alt tag with loads and loads of keywords. Make it readable, but also bear in mind that Google is may well use this for relevance in Google image search. And of course, if you need a resource for this or any other HTML tags, I always recommend htmlref.com. And if you scroll down, okay, the image tag, there's a great reference here. And also I recommend the site htmldog.com. And you can go to the tags reference here. Let's see if we can quickly find the image tag. There it is. So just, if any existing pictures on your site, optimize them. Think what type of searches people may be entering for such images, and then use those keywords to optimize the page and optimize the image, and that can help you get more Google image search traffic. And if you can add more images to your page or to your site, and still keep your site and images relevant, that can also help you get even more traffic, because of course more images, and it's worth mentioning, they should of course be relevant to your site, but more images can help you get more Google image traffic. And there are of course many other factors Google takes into consideration. For example, links to your site, how long your site has been around, and so on, in a general search engine optimization. But those are some quick tips for easily optimizing your site to get more Google image traffic.